Dear viewers, you are most welcome to my online class on genetics. This is the lecture 5 on genetics. Today we discuss codominance, deviation of Mendel's first law. I think this video or lecture will be very helpful for us. Some deviations of Mendel's first law are incomplete dominance, codominance, and lethal gene. In previous lecture, we discussed incomplete dominance. Today we discuss codominance, and in next class we shall discuss lethal gene. Codominance is a mixed trait in which both alleles of a gene pair in a heterozygous hybrid are fully expressed, with neither one being dominant or recessive to the other. In codominance, both the dominant and recessive characteristics appear in the phenotype of hybrid organism. Phenotypic ratio of codominance is 1:2:1, whereas Mendelian ratio is 3:1. So it is the deviation of Mendel's first law or law of segregation. Explanation of codominance. It is observed in the cross between black and white Andalusian fowls. Here we use capital B for allele responsible for black colored fowl. We use here capital W, allele responsible for white fowl. Capital B means pure or homozygous black fowl. WW, pure or homozygous white fowl. BW, heterozygous splashed white fowl due to codominance. Here the exception or deviation BW, this is heterozygous offspring. According to Mendel's first law, dominant characters can be expressed in heterozygous condition, but no dominant characters are expressed in case of codominance. Here both characters are expressed in this offspring, or heterozygous offspring show mixed characteristics or mixed trait. Now we explain this with example. This is a black hen, its genotype capital B and capital B, whereas this is white cock, its genotype is WW. During gamete formation, here from 2 capital B, 1 capital B comes to female gamete, and from 2W, 1W comes to male gamete. Then capital B and capital W are crossed or fertilized to form F1. Its genotype is B and W. These offsprings are spliced white fowl according to codominance, deviation to Mendel's first law. This is the phenotype. Now we cross a splashed white hen with splashed white cock. Here from female, two types of gametes are created from BW. One gamete has B, another gamete has W. In case of male gametes, both gametes from BW, one gamete has B and another gamete has W. Now, when capital B is crossed with B, they produce BB genotype. Its phenotype is black fowl. When B is crossed with W, they produce splashed white cock or hen phenotype. This W is crossed with this B, they produce BW genotype and its phenotype is splashed white cock. When this W is crossed with this W, genotype is WW, they produce white fowl. So we get black, splashed white and white. Their ratio is 1:2:1. One is black, 2 is splashed white and 1 is white. So this is the deviation of Mendel's first law, and a splashed white fowl is found due to codominance. Thanks to remain with me. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and comment.